Yeah, we had the water.
Go now. Save this planet from infestation.
Anyone else land in a puddle?
The anti-material rifle doesn't work on the store as well, right?
I don't think so. I do not think so, no.
That's dead box.
Northwest, 200 meters. To the sky!
On the radar.
Objective located. Southeast. Enemy control.
Hearing a lot of puking.
Just wild violence support. Commando's dead. It's taking me like 3 shots. Spawn fever over there. If you come to me, you can hit it.
Ow, there's so many of them. Side feather.
Joining the fray!
Requesting orbital strike.
Oh, hi.
Requesting
Sending in an eagle!
Where's
That big hit on the Biotitan. Titan down. Up.
I've got this one.
Anyone have the Quasar cannon? Or expendable?
Package acquired.
Can't believe my feather was so messed. I gotta check that again.
come on.
I'm just gonna manually go and deal with it.
I know I can't do that.
I'm almost there.
Activating jump pack!
Yeet.
Requesting air support.
And it's gone. Yep.
Requesting sentry!
Yeah.
4 down.
Oh my.
Requesting orbital strike! Last reload!
I want to die.
There you go.
Air support.
Oh, I found the bunker. I think. Yes, it's a bunker. Can someone come to me?
I got the terminal!
Damn it.
found the bunker.
There's also something here.
Yeah, this is all me. Never mind.
I'm gonna spawn in here.
Reinforcing.
Never mind. Phantom copy.
Where's the thing, goddammit? I need one last thing. Mini look.
You already finished it.
New mag.
I already did, okay, then I need to do the... Okay.
Can someone come with me? I have a bunker. Ricky.
What's up?
I'll come
Sending
with
in an
him.
eagle.
Yeah, come with me.
Calling in orbital strike.
Have a bunker here and
Oh, no, this thing's so annoying. Why aren't you dead?
that's a brokenness.
Fire in the hole.
Good.
Why do I suck so bad on solving this fucking motion?
What?
The console one for the...
Dropping a pin.
Oil?
Northwest. 200 meters.
Bug tunnel breach.
So now you use the Liberator.
Requesting air support.
Doctor, next to you.
Requesting orbital.
Captain Sniper, there were like 50 hunters here.
Get some!
Oh, Phantom, I found Cockroach.
Calling down a sentry.
Bug outpost spotted. Prepare to exterminate.
What the fuck?
Then I finally figured it out. I didn't suck at this.
Oh, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. It's the one with the...
Pipe.
where you have to
Yeah, the
to
puzzle-
connect
puzzle
one
stuff.
with the other.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. It helps if you start from the other side to the thing instead.
Bug tunnel breach.
Bug tunnel bridge. It's on us, it's on us.
It's
Don't worry.
next to you.
Yeah.
I'm on it.
Here comes the big boy.
Sending in an eagle.
The rocket puncher. Hitting it. Yep, big hit.
Calling in orbital
Yep.
strike.
Oh shit, I forgot I had the autocannon.
Oh, fuck. Commander!
Be careful, because it's gonna fuck us up if it hits us. But I think it's already
Done.
done, yeah. Out of them.
If it's not done, we're already dead.
Tac inbound.
Oh, Ricky, we have trouble. Wild Titan.
Requesting orbital strike. Sending in an eagle.
I already grabbed the cock block. Also try to
Enemy
do
control.
something.
Our team.
Well, mate, the orbital kind of took you out on one shot, which was really surprising.
Oh, that's gonna land.
Bug outpost.
Now they are cruising and it's banned.
Activating jump pack.
It coupled to the charger.
Last reload.
What do you mean? It's on armor. What the fuck? I hit the ass.
Oh my god, there's another one.
Requesting air support.
That one's dead. If you come to me, I have a surprise for you. Yep. Motherfucker.
Sending in a sentry.
I just witnessed how two chargers killed themselves when they collided.
They hit themselves.
Bro, don't you dare, you fuck.
Shoot! Run, run, run! Run, run!
Yep.
Run!
Damn
God
right.
damn.
I accidentally hit it. I accidentally hit it. There are like hundreds of hunters.
It doesn't kill him, goddammit.
He usually broke his armor and we can one grenade it. But he already bleeding out.
Throwing grenade.
Look at that.
Requesting tac pack.
Oh, come on.
Ricky, I don't have any more grenades. Ох, стрессно дай там.
New mag.
Oh, don't shit. What weapon are you using?
Anti-material
Last
rifle.
reload.
Ah, yeah, now it makes sense. Gonna call in a resupply over here.
Yeah, when they show up the anti-material is a lot. It's harder. Oh! Phantom, look! He's here to watch.
Reality my head.
What?
Don't get it.
Heavy. South.
He's dead.
Position. On demo.
Now behind you.
my balls. Jesus, go again.
Okay, this one is not doing so well.
I'm gonna go back for the body.
There we go.
Yeah, right.
Oh, Ricky, there are a lot of them. There are a lot of them.
Requesting air support.
Sending in an eagle.
Should we hit the nest here?
Yeah.
Looking for this? Yes,
Requesting air support.
almost there.
Bro. Manister's trigger nest.
Yeah, I'm trying to take it out.
I'm sure you have noticed by now, but
Yeah. But I have a lot of problems and I'm gonna die because I'm not
wait,
still
wait.
now.
I know,
I deployed the sentry very stupidly though.
I die very stupid.
Throwing grenade.
Because I just get rocket.
Right, kill the charger at
Yeah,
least.
like, come on. What? Out of nothing.
Sending in an eagle.
Next time, use the Liberator. There goes Ricky.
I did it for
Yeah,
you.
We have a lot of shit here, and I'm dead again. No, because I'm out of everything.
Okay, you try to keep their attention, and I'm gonna go in.
Let me try to deal with the nest.
New mag.
You will go? Okay.
Yeah. I have a rocket button, it's gonna hit like one of the... Oh no! Help!
Back bridge. Oh shit.
Of course, and there's a lot of thunder already on my ass. Help!
Pick up my thing. Please.
Oh, I'm not gonna survive this. And there's a fire button.
Calling in reinforcements.
Don't go in. Don't go in. Leave it for me.
Calling in a hellbomb. Democracy has landed.
Fire button.
Takes
Yes,
too long.
Titan dead.
Yes. Only one left.
I you please land!
Energize the thing, the hellbomb.
Dedication to democracy.
Stay away.
So I tried to do the thingy, but I end up being the bait.
Oh, that's trickier, I think.
Drop the barrier.
That cluster bomb was close. Alright, now mop up the rest of them.
Fuck off, chicken.
I'm late for Super Earth.
Another fire that is coming in.
Last reload.
Oh, you want it?
Alright.
No, that was not alright.
Calling in a resupply.
I got him, buddy. Run away.
He is already dead. I hit the broken one.
Autocannon placed, be careful. Ricky, you better get out of its line of sight.
Ow! My self-esteem.
Try this. I already know where it's gonna hit, so I don't need the aim point for the sniper.
New mag.
Wrong way, guys. Oh, there's the nest there. Okay.
Yeah, there's a nest here.
Dropping a pin. 100 meters.
I should have waited to use the autocannon here actually, but that's fine.
You're gonna be fine.
No, I'm not gonna be fine.
See? You're gonna be fine.
Reloading.
Just another part where your machine gun's gonna work.
Baton breach.
Help. Next to the hero.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, go big air.
I'm literally going in like freaking balls with a machine gun.
Incoming mortal bombardment.
Check behind, and then
Where?
behind. Check.
Was that not awesome or what?
No scope.
It's the way of democracy.
This guy just sitting here watching me shooting with me.
Attacking that. East. 100 meters.
What is what the hell?
What?
Uh-huh.
No scope. I didn't even aim for that. Actually hit you.
Oh yeah.
You need help?
There we go. Hello, Bile.
Bleh.
Hello.
What's good?
Billy. Bile, you're French, right?
Yes, exactly. How do you know? Did my accent gave me away, right?
Yes. who was it that said you were French? I remember the guy who said you were French also said to me that I was British.
Don't remember who was it.
Probably.
I think it was Pandis or something.
Yeah, bandage, yes.
Yeah, possible. Yeah.
Phantom?
Yeah.
Probably.
Southeast.
Probably the patrol is on my way.
1 second.
I
Super
think
credits. Bile, did you try out the new weapons?
Nope. Not yet.
Don't try them.
Okay. They're not great, huh?
the rifle is basically the reskin.
The SMG is the only thing that's really worth anything.
The assault rifle
Everything else, it's
is liberated. If you want to use the new assault rifle, just liberate it. Just take the liberate. That's the new weapon. Help!
what? Come over to me if you want.
I'm gonna try, but you're not gonna like it.
Calling in orbital strike.
There are a bunch of
Calling down a sentry.
Calling down the
a
support
bunch of
weapon.
the hunters and the Biotitan coming in.
Oh my god!
Calling in orbital strike.
Hey,
Requesting air
eat
support.
this.
I have nothing to take him out with. Did you hit him? Ah, never mind, he's dead. Okay.
Oh, I see.
If you hit him with a railgun strike, I can take him out with a grenade launcher, but
Yep, that's 10 kills.
Dropping a pin. West. 200 meters.
are you guys using the 380?
It's not me, it's Ricky. Actually, this time it was useful to count quite considerable amount, I think. I just saw the
Kind of we just circling around.
Yeah. Yeah, we got some super credits.
And super temple is on it. Perfect.
So, we're here on the objective, but there's like 2 shuttles. One.
Don't worry about it. The game works as intended.
What the hell?
Completely normal.
Don't question.
Do I hear heresy? Treachery? No?
Did you hit him
Socialism
with a...
Rocket pop, yep. I'm gonna hit it again. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna die. He's bleeding out now.
Nah, I don't think my grenade launcher's doing anything.
Yeah, no, cluster bomb! Yes!
Oh my god!
I told you the cluster bomb not gonna work on the Biotitan.
Now it's coming for us, Ricky, around.
Head over to extraction.
I hope it can at least crack open the armor of the Biotitan. No, it's not.
Reloading. Sending in an eagle.
Ricky, if my airstrike kills you, I'm sorry.
We have 9 minutes. This loadout is definitely not as effective as the other one that I have, but it's It has the new weapons in, so
I mean, it's decent.
I still need to find a good replacement for the autocannon. I am not really skilled with using the autocannon.
Sniper.
To the sky!
No, I mean the turret, the autocannon turret.
Yeah, the thing with the turrets, you have to like place them on some high position.
Yeah, they have to be on a high position and they also have to be away from the enemy, otherwise the enemy destroys them.
Orbital inbound!
Yeah, the charger being smart on my Gatling turret.
New mag!
Every time I throw it down, they're gonna charge to it, no matter what. Instantly.
You do it.
Mighty and Edmund know how to use them very effectively, but I do not.
But it's coming. And how did it
Oh, Ion Storm hit.
come on? Come. It's gonna hit me. I don't think you're good for these guys.
Oh, two bile-tetted son of a bitch.
Hey, leave my cousins alone.
Come on, Ion Storm. Finish. Alright, the Ion Storm is done.
Yeah, and the bug bridge on us.
One is dead.
And the cluster bomb gonna kill me. And it's actually Menace kill me.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I dropped an airstrike.
Drop me on it.
Be careful, I dropped
He's dead.
an autocannon turret somewhere there.
Somewhere. Where am I? What?
I guess it was there.
No, I just stuck under the biotether body and I got swamped.
Oh yes. To die from a corpse, that's my favorite thing.
Requesting air support!
Yeah.
Let me stand up!
I think, what was the chapter I'm sending mortar support over your...
Yeah, I'm gonna be fine. Not for long.
If you want to survive, say it now, because
I want to survive, yes. I'm still alive, so far. Like this. Stop. Menace, stop killing me! The anti-material rifle is basically the combination of auto cannon and the grenade launcher.
okay, I'm going in.
Yeah, I'm out.
Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Extraction. Moving in this out.
I got 15 kills with that last airstrike.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Damn Skippy. Damn.
Good job shutting down that tower. Few less